All right, today we're gonna bring a DJ table. Now, everything that you see is included in here, including the actual table itself. And this is foldable. And they give you the instructions step by step how to set this up. Now, we're gonna set up in a time lapse and show you guys how it works. Now, on top of it, it does come with its own nylon bag that you carry everything in once. And one of the best things I like about this, that it has these covers. Now, if you're a DJ and you want to put your own covers, you go actually advertise your name or your products through this covers in front of the actual table. Now, they give you two stabilizers for the table side by side. We're going to put it together and show you how it looks. All right, here's the final product, guys, of the table. Look at this. So all your cable in here, it's gonna be hidden from view, and the reason is that you have these mounts areas that they give you these plastics so you guys can put them in here. And look at this, you still have room for your actual computer in here. You can mount things in here. Now, we choose to put white in the front and black on the sides, but you have an option to change it from black to white either way. Let me show you guys. This Velcro here, very simple to come off. Velcro in the front here, two in the front. What I seen before, they project stuff through the projector underneath, or you could add your advertisement. Now, the great thing about these stabilizers is that they could actually retain lights in here, DJ lights, if you guys can see that. This is a big system here, enough room for a laptop, or you could, vice versa, you could have your laptop in here and hang your lights if you want. So this is pretty much the whole setup in here. Cable management could be done through these holes here, and a matter of a couple of minutes you could take this whole thing, disassemble and assemble it. So your next part, you're looking for something like this, check this out. All right, if you guys can see, this is he's a 5'9" guy, plenty of space so you could see all your crowds. We changed the color from black to white. We could change it vice versa. On the Velcro comes off. The whole thing is real stable. It's made of metal here, so you got plenty of room for your space. All right, so we're gonna show you guys how to take this thing apart and how simple it is. All right, first of all, you want to start with the Velcro, right? Get rid of the Velcro so it won't fly off.